Ready to build your own unicorn nightlight? Let's make your room sparkle with a soft, magical glow. Inside your kit, you'll find a USB-powered LED lamp base, a clear lamp top, pink, blue, and purple cubes, unicorn, castle, and rainbow charms, craft glue, unicorn foliage, and pebble decor. Ask an adult for help when using the USB light. You can plug it into a USB port or a certified 5-volt adapter. First, plug the USB cable into your LED lamp base and turn it on to make sure it works. Once it's glowing, switch it off until you're ready for the big reveal. Next, apply a small amount of glue around the edge of your lamp base. Then place your pink, blue, or purple cubes in a circle, leaving the center open. Keep stacking and gluing until your border is about 5 layers high. Try stacking your cubes like a brick wall for strength. This means stagger every row so the cubes aren't directly on top of the row below. Peel off the protective film covering the clear lamp top and add a few dots of glue on top. Gently press the clear lamp top into place. This is where your unicorn world will come to life. Now for the fun part, decorating. Glue your unicorn, castle, and rainbow charms anywhere you like. Add the unicorn foliage and pebbles to make your scene extra magical. When you're done decorating, let your nightlight dry in a safe spot for at least 12 hours. We know it's hard to wait, but patience makes the magic last. Now it's time for the big reveal. Plug in your nightlight, flip the switch, and watch your unicorn world glow with soft, colorful light. Your unicorn nightlight looks amazing! Snap a photo and tag us at PLB Fun for a chance to be featured and show off your hard work. And if you want even more crafts, free printables, and surprises, scan this QR code or visit plbfun.com.